Stockpile only 3 foods to survive. Why this is all you need: rice, beans, salmon. We've all been there, right? Stranded in the wilderness, miles from civilization, with only our wits and a handful of supplies to keep us alive. Okay, maybe not all of us, but in a world where unforeseen disasters can strike at any moment, having a well-stocked pantry is about as essential as a good fire starter when it comes to survival. Now, you might think you need a whole supermarket aisle to see you through a crisis, but trust me, when it comes to survival, simplicity is key. That's why I'm going to share with you the 3 essential foods that can provide all the nutrients and energy you need to stay alive: rice, beans, and salmon. These 3 powerhouses aren't just for survival situations though. They're affordable, easy to store, and can be combined into a variety of meals, making them perfect for everyday life too. So, whether you're facing a natural disaster or just want to be more prepared, these 3 foods will have your back. First up, we've got rice, the backbone of countless cultures and a true survival staple. This humble grain has been a cornerstone of human diets for thousands of years, providing essential nutrients and energy to people across the globe. This little grain is packed with carbohydrates, which give you the energy you need to power through even the toughest challenges. Carbohydrates are the body's primary source of fuel, making rice an indispensable part of any survival kit. Think of it as the fuel for your engine when you're navigating treacherous terrain or, just making it through a long day. Whether you're hiking up a mountain or simply dealing with the daily grind, rice has got your back. And the beauty of rice? It's a blank canvas for flavor. This means you can transform it into a variety of delicious dishes that cater to your taste buds. You can eat it plain, sure, but why not spice things up a bit? Add some herbs, spices, or even a sprinkle of salt, and you've got yourself a meal that's both nourishing and satisfying. The possibilities are endless when it comes to seasoning and flavoring rice. Add some herbs, spices, or even a sprinkle of salt, and you've got yourself a meal that's both nourishing and satisfying. You can experiment with different combinations to keep your meals exciting and varied. Now let's talk shelf life. Rice is a survivalist's dream because it can last for years if stored properly. This makes it an excellent choice for long-term food storage. We're talking about storing it in airtight containers in a cool, dry place. Proper storage ensures that your rice remains fresh and free from pests, ready to be used whenever you need it. That means you can stock up now and rest assured that you'll have a reliable source of energy no matter what life throws your way. Whether it's an emergency or just a busy week, having rice on hand can be a lifesaver. But hold on, there's more. Rice is also incredibly versatile. Its adaptability makes it suitable for a wide range of culinary applications. You can boil it, steam it, fry it, the possibilities are endless. From simple boiled rice to elaborate fried rice dishes, you can prepare it in countless ways to suit your needs and preferences. It's like the Swiss Army knife of the food world, adapting to whatever situation you find yourself in. Whether you're cooking at home or out in the wild, rice can be prepared with minimal equipment and effort. Need a quick energy boost on the go? Pack some cooked rice in a bag. It's a convenient and portable option for those times when you need a quick and nutritious snack. Want a warm and comforting meal at the end of a long day? Whip up a pot of rice porridge. This soothing dish is perfect for winding down and replenishing your energy. Rice is there for you, always ready to provide the sustenance you need. From breakfast to dinner, rice can be incorporated into any meal, making it a versatile and reliable food choice. And don't even get me started on the different varieties of rice. Each type offers its own unique benefits and culinary possibilities. You've got your long grain, your short grain, your brown rice, your wild rice, each with its own unique flavor and texture. This diversity allows you to experiment and find the perfect type of rice for any dish. It's like having a whole pantry full of options packed into one tiny grain. With so many varieties to choose from, you'll never get bored of incorporating rice into your meals. So whether you're facing a natural disaster, embarking on an adventure, or simply looking for a reliable and nutritious food to fuel your everyday life, rice is the ultimate survival grain. Its versatility and long shelf life make it an essential part of any emergency preparedness plan. It's the dependable friend that will never let you down, providing sustenance and energy no matter what challenges you face. In times of need, you can always count on rice to be there for you. Remember, in the game of survival, rice is your MVP. Its combination of nutrition, versatility, and long shelf life makes it an invaluable asset in any situation. Next up in our survival trio we have beans, small but mighty powerhouses of nutrition that can make all the difference in a survival situation. These little gems are often overlooked, but their impact on your health and well-being is nothing short of extraordinary. Don't let their size fool you. These little guys are packed with protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals that will keep your body running like a well-oiled machine, even when the going gets tough. Whether you're facing a natural disaster or just trying to get through a tough week, beans can be your secret weapon. We're talking about a plant-based protein source that can rival even the toughest cuts of meat. In fact, beans are often considered a staple in vegetarian and vegan diets for this very reason. They provide a complete protein when combined with grains, making them an excellent choice for anyone looking to reduce their meat consumption. That means whether you're scaling mountains or just tackling a busy day, beans will give you the energy and stamina you need to conquer any challenge. Their slow-digesting carbohydrates provide a steady release of energy, helping you stay fueled for longer periods, but it's not just about protein, oh no. Beans are also loaded with fiber, which is essential for keeping your digestive system in tip-top shape. Fiber helps regulate your bowel movements and can prevent constipation, which is crucial when you're in a situation where medical help might not be readily available. And trust me, when you're in a survival situation, the last thing you want is a rumbling stomach slowing you down. A well-functioning digestive system can make a world of difference in how you feel and perform. And let's not forget about the vitamins and minerals. Beans are a good source of iron, which helps carry oxygen throughout your body, and magnesium, which is essential for muscle function. They also contain potassium, which helps maintain proper heart and muscle function. These nutrients are like the essential tools in your survival kit, ensuring that your body is equipped to handle whatever comes its way. Think of them as the unsung heroes that keep your body in peak condition. Now, let's talk versatility. Beans are like the chameleons of the food world, adapting to any flavor profile you throw at them. From spicy chili to savory soups, beans can be transformed into a variety of delicious dishes. You can add them to soups, stews, salads, or even eat them on their own as a hearty and satisfying meal. Their ability to absorb flavors makes them a perfect addition to any cuisine, whether it's Mexican, Indian, or Mediterranean. One of my favorite things about beans is their long shelf life. Unlike fresh produce, which can spoil quickly, dried beans can be stored for years without losing their nutritional value. Like rice, dried beans can last for years if stored properly in airtight containers in a cool, dry place. This makes them an excellent choice for long-term food storage and emergency preparedness. That means you can stock up on them now and have peace of mind knowing that you have a readily available source of protein and essential nutrients whenever you need them. It's like having a nutritional safety net that you can rely on. And the best part? Beans are incredibly affordable, making them an accessible source of nutrition for everyone. You don't have to break the bank to eat healthily and be prepared for any situation. They're the ultimate equalizer, providing everyone with the essential nutrients they need to thrive, regardless of their circumstances. Whether you're rich or poor, young or old, beans can be a staple in your diet. So, whether you're a seasoned survivalist or just starting to build your emergency pantry, make sure beans are at the top of your list. Their nutritional benefits, versatility, and long shelf life make them an indispensable ally in any survival situation. These tiny powerhouses of nutrition are packed with protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals, making them an indispensable ally in any survival situation. So, next time you're planning your meals or stocking up your pantry, don't forget to include these little nutritional giants. Salmon, the wild card for long-term survival. Now, for our final essential survival food, we're diving into the depths of the ocean with salmon. This might seem like an unexpected choice, but trust me, when it comes to long-term survival, salmon is a game changer. Why? Because it's packed with omega-3 fatty acids, those essential fats that our bodies need to thrive but can't produce on their own. We're talking about brain-boosting, heart-healthy fats that are crucial for cognitive function, reducing inflammation, and keeping your energy levels up. In a survival situation where your mind and body are constantly being challenged, omega-3s are like the secret weapon that keeps you sharp and resilient. But salmon's benefits don't stop there. It's also a fantastic source of protein, just like our friend the bean. We're talking about high-quality protein that helps build and repair tissues, crucial for staying strong and healthy when the going gets tough. And let's not forget about the vitamins and minerals. Salmon is a good source of vitamin D, which is essential for bone health and immune function, and selenium, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. These nutrients are like the reinforcements you need to keep your body functioning at its best, even in the face of adversity. Now, you might be thinking, salmon? But what about refrigeration? And that's a valid concern. But here's the beauty of it. Canned salmon is a shelf-stable superstar. That's right, you can stock up on cans of salmon and store them at room temperature for years, making it an ideal food for long-term survival. And when it comes to versatility, salmon doesn't disappoint. You can eat it straight from the can, add it to salads, or mix it with rice and beans for a complete and satisfying meal. It's like the wild card in your survival deck, always ready to step up and deliver a nutritional punch. So, whether you're preparing for a natural disaster, stocking your bug-out bag, or simply looking to add more nutrient-dense foods to your diet, don't underestimate the power of salmon. This omega-3 rich powerhouse is a game-changer for long-term survival, providing your body and mind with the essential nutrients they need to thrive in any situation. And let's not forget, salmon is also a sustainable choice. Many salmon fisheries are managed to ensure that the fish populations remain healthy and abundant. So whether you're out in the wild or hunkered down at home, salmon can be a reliable and nutritious part of your survival strategy. Remember, in the game of survival, every choice counts, and choosing salmon could be one of the smartest decisions you make. There you have it, folks, rice, beans, and salmon, the three musketeers of survival. By combining these three foods, you're not just getting by, you're setting yourself up for success. Rice provides the energy you need to power through. Beans offer plant-based protein and fiber to keep you going, and salmon brings those essential omega-3s to the table, ensuring your mind and body are sharp and resilient. Now let's talk storage. Keep your rice and beans in airtight containers in a cool, dry place, and those bags of grains will last you for years. Canned salmon is your shelf-stable superstar, ready to provide a nutritional boost whenever you need it. Remember, rotate your stock regularly using the oldest first, and you'll have a steady supply of these survival essentials. In a world where uncertainty is a given, having a well-stocked pantry is empowering. It's about taking control of your well-being and knowing that you can provide for yourself and your loved ones no matter what challenges come your way. So stock up on rice, beans, and salmon and face the unexpected with confidence. Because when it comes to survival, preparation is key, and these three foods are your ultimate allies.